everyone, and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crochet this very easy crochet poppy flower. So for today's poppy flower, I usually go for black in the middle and red around, but of course you can use any colors you like, it's up to you. But the poppies are usually black and red, but as it is difficult to see, I decided to work with this light gray for the middle part, and for the red part I'll be using this light orange color, so you can see much better on the camera how to create this easy poppy flower. So for today's poppy flower, I'll be using a 4mm hook and this Aran yarn or worsted weight yarn. Also, you will need a pair of scissors. First, we are going to start with this middle part. So first we are going to start with the magic ring. Hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook, and go back under this one and pull through the loop you had on your hook. Now we are going to place 12 single crochet inside this magic ring. Insert yarn over and pull through. That's your first single crochet. Second one. Now place the stitch marker into your very first stitch like so. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So pull this end a little bit to close the ring. Oopsie daisy, I just lost my stitch marker, so I'm just going to place it back. Pull the end a little bit or put it on the side. And now before we close the ring, we are going to make sure we have 12 single crochet all the way around like so. Now into the place where is your stitch marker, we are going to work our single crochet. So remove your stitch marker like so, insert your hook and work your single crochet. Replace the stitch marker so you know this is your very first stitch right here. Now pull the end and close your ring completely, like so. And you will work single crochet in every stitch around, like so. So you should have 12 stitches. Like this. And once you come to your start, where is your stitch marker, we are going to remove the stitch marker like so and slip stitch into that place where was your stitch marker, chain 1 and fasten off like so. And this is our middle part of our poppy flower completed with 12 single crochet all the way around. Now we are going to attach our color B or this light orange. So insert your hook in any stitch you like so, bring it through and make a knot like so to attach this color B. Leave it longer so you can hide it later on. Now insert your hook into the same place and chain 1. Now this chain 1 is not counting as your stitch. So into the same place you will work 2 more single crochet. So 1 and 2, like so. Into the next stage you will work 2 single crochet again. Into the next stage you will work 3 half double crochet into the same stitch. So that's 1, 2 and 3 half double crochet right here. Into the next stage you will work 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first one, second one, and one more, all into the same stitch. So we have 3 double crochet. Into the next stage we are going to do 4 treble crochet. To do 4 treble crochet you are going to yarn over twice, like so, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And we are going to do so all together 4 times. So I have 1, 2, and 2 more into the same stitch. Don't forget to yarn over twice as we are working on our treble. So we have 4th one here, so we have 4 treble crochet into the same stitch. So once we have our 4 treble crochet, into the next stitch we are going to work 3 double crochet, all 3 into the same place, like so. So 1, 2 and 3, like so. So 3 double crochet right here. And into the next stitch we are going to work only 2 half double crochet on this side. Into the next stage you will work 2 single crochet, and into the next stage you will work slip stitch, like so. Chain 1 and fasten off, like this. And first half of our poppy flower is completed. Next you will count 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitches, like so, and you will go directly under that stitch into the gray part where we were working our single crochet round, and you will insert your hook like this and attach your yarn bee or this light orange color, like so. Next you are going to chain 1 like this. Leave this a yarn and longer so you can hide it later on the wrong side of your flower. Now into the place where we have done our chain we will work single crochet front post, like so, and we need 2 single crochet front post into the same place. Now find the next stitch and we will do exactly the same. We will do again 2 single crochet front post, so 1 single crochet front post and 2 single crochet. So we have 2 single crochet front post here and 2 single crochet front post here. Find the next stitch right here, and into the next stitch you will work 3 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert, like so, and pull through all 3 loops. So we have 1, 2 and 3 half double crochet into the next stitch right here. Into the next stitch you will work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, like so. So we have 3 double crochet here, all into the same place. Find the next stitch, and into the next stitch you will do 4 treble crochet. Remember, for treble crochet we yarning over twice. So we have 1, 2, and we need 2 more treble into the same stitch to have altogether 4 treble crochet, like so. Now into the next stitch you will work 3 double crochet, like so, yarning over only once for 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, and the last one, all into the same stitch again. So we have 3 double crochet here. Now, as you can see, there is your very first stitch, and under the very first stitch we will have post again, and we will work 3 half double crochet front post, yarn over, do front post like so, and now finish your half double crochet. So you need to pull through all 3 loops like so, and again second half double crochet from post. Excuse my knot here. So I have 2 and I need 1 more, and there will be all 3 half double crochet under the 1 post. Then you will find this next stitch, and we will do again 3 single crochet front post. So I have 1, 2, and 1 more single crochet, like so. So we have 3 single crochet front post. So to finish our poppy flower, we need to simply slip stitch. So I will find a place behind these stitches. So when I turn it this way, I will simply find a place behind these stitches. So that's the front, and I simply just need to hide this last slip stitch right behind those last stitches we created, like so. So just slip stitch, chain 1, leave the end longer so we can hide it later on, and fasten off. Now we are going to just spread the stitches nicely and make sure the flower will open up a little bit and the stitches will be curling, and that's what we wanted for our poppy flower, to have this more natural look. And of course, if you make the middle part with the black color and the round part with the red color, your poppy flower will look like a real flower. But of course, if you want, you can make your poppy flowers in any color you like. I think this poppy flower is really cute. As you can see, the red color makes it really, really beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia. And please don't forget to find me on social medias. I am on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching.